Hey guys, welcome back to Twisted Barrel Outdoors. Tonight we're out here red tagging tonight. Hopefully catch a couple coming out to feed. Tonight we got my 22-250 with us. If you happen to watch the video on our reloading page, Twisted Reloading Bench, I showcased some loads for this rifle for deer. Tonight we're going to put them to the test. Tonight I'm going to be shooting a 51 grain hammer. The load was doing 4,095 feet a second. Then if we're lucky and we get a double, I got some of the Barnes TTSXs behind that, so we'll hang tight here and hopefully put some footage up for you, so stick around. You good?
Yeah.
Good blood there? Why aren't you tracking it? Smaller deer means smaller targets, baby. Well, that's an eater.
Do you need help tracking that?
I might need the cavalry boys. That's exactly where I wanted it to go. There's the innie. Right in the shoulder. We had a successful hunt with the 22-250. This guy was using a 51 grain absolute hammer. He come out at 194 yards. I took him in the shoulder on the opposite side. Exited right in the middle, so pretty good shot placement. He's a little button buck, but we're just up here crop damage, so as long as you don't have antlers, he's legal to shoot, so that's what we're here for. We're not trophy hunting, we're putting meat on the table. So like I said, that bullet is rated for a 1 9 3/4 twist, and I just shot this guy with it out of a 1 12, so they're stable on paper. And how far did he run? 40 yards?
Yeah,
40
about.
yards if that, pouring blood the whole way. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope to see you on the next video. So if you want to check out more on the rifle and loads I was using, you can check out our sister page, Twisted Reloading Bench. Me and the guys in the group here are going to be posting reloading videos on that page. I'm pretty passionate about hand loading and such, so we're posting a lot of that on that page to keep it clear from the hunting. So if you want to know more, check out Twisted Reloading Bench.